Silver failed to break past $22 levels, tried couple of times but failed to breach those levels and traded bearish throughout the week, closing below 21 and specifically more importantly 20.8, which is a strong support levels. Now we also saw that silver so far on the weekly and monthly charts has been trading in this bearish channel. Precisely it has reversed from the highs of the channel and traded bearish. At the same time on the weekly charts, if you look at, this is the little retracement which is observed, and hence now you have to be watchful for $20 levels, which is going to be the next support. $20, $20.2 is going to be the strongest support. Now we will see more in detail what to expect next week, which position you should take in order to profit. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and a strategy for next week. Do watch till the end, and yes, pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the daily targets and analysis which I share for silver every day. Let's start. Now look at the monthly chart. Silver is trading so far in this bearish channel, and if you look at, this is happening after a good strong long pole. This is trying to retrace. Certainly $25 levels are to be breached for it to confirm the bullishness and give a breakout, because once it breaks out beyond this, it should be considered for a strong reversal. Right now it is looking downwards. Now see, in one sharp red candle it is erased against for last couple of months. Now it has come to its stronger support levels at 21, 20.8, and below that 20.2 and 20. If and only if we see it trading below 20, further bearishness might take it for 19 levels and below. And yes, if it is really bearish, then it may try to achieve further lows. Now also one must observe that this is after achieving the highs. This is the first stronger red candle, and the new candle is going to start in this week itself. Possibly if this candle closes flat somewhere here, I will be definitely watchful and cautious of it. May try to pull back a little up, create a room, and such that we can see a second red candle next month, which might take it for $19 levels. Possibility exists for this. So hence for next couple of days there could be a little pullback on the upside, but do not consider that it has reversed till the time it trades about 22 and specifically 23 levels. So this zone is going to be increasingly importantly a stronger resistance zone. I told you in the last week's analysis also. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart. Now see, on the weekly charts, it is trying to, it has got the resistance at the highs. You can see multiple candles getting the resistance there. We have seen this drop. Also, if you look at the candle size here and here, it is a smaller. This candle is smaller than this one, indicating diminishing bearishness. And hence $20 levels, even if it continues to drop, $20 levels are certainly going to remain an increasingly important resistance zone. At the same time, on the upside, 22 is something it has to break in order to confirm the bullishness there. Now also if you look at, see, first of all 20.8 and 21 was a very good support. It has indeed come back to its support levels here. Now I will wait and watch for 20.5, 20.2 and 20. Only and only if it trades below 20, confirm that it is trying to trade bearish, and we may see little more drop till towards $19 levels in the month of March. Now this is on the weekly chart. Now if you see the near term highs and lows for silver here in the 2022, and you can find out it is retraced to 76.4 levels, and now it is trading below 38.2, which is more than 50% of this complete travel. But this is on the long term, but let's translate this into near term. And if you look at the near term retracement, it is trading below the 50% levels, that is 2110. Now looking forward to 2020 levels, which is certainly a good support. So this is also a Fibonacci retracement. This is also a bottom of the channel, and hence this makes this levels at 2020 and $20 a very strong support, because below that it may call for the next drop till 19, 20, $19 levels. So that is why these two levels you should watch out for. Now let's have a look at the daily. On the daily charts, see, sharp drop, consolidation drop, so retracement and then this drop. So yes, this is a bearish channel here. It has precisely closed the day, closed the week at the bottom here, And now on the upside, $22 level certainly is the level beyond which you can confirm that there is bullishness, then 22.50 and 23. Only and only if it breaks past this zone, then you can consider that it is reversed completely. Till the time you have to be watchful. Now look at three candles increasing bearishness, flat closing there indicates that the bears are not completely out. There is still scope here, but at the same time, if it has to reverse, it has to reverse with a flat bottom there, that the opening should not be a gap down or gap up, which may try to pull the prices little up. Now you have to look for 2110 levels. Only if it tries to stay above 2110 and 2120, you can expect that we may see a little more rise for 2150, $22 levels. Till then, you have to be watchful and careful. Right now, if you look at the multiple candles on the daily charts, have got the support here. Now it is looking forward to this zone. Also, if you look at these levels at 2080, 2070C, this was the consolidation zone. It has achieved these levels once. Now probably it may try to trade sideways here before looking forward to a complete reversal. So this is on the charts here. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. On the indicators front, now silver has also crossed the 100 period moving average, and you can see now the 50 and 100 period. I will wait for it to cross over. It will fall in the completely bearish zone, as 20 and 50 period moving average trading with divergence indicating increasing bearishness. Now the 20 and 100 period moving average also trading with divergence indicating increasing bearishness. At the same time, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which might give it a very good support here. Now look at the directional movement. This is divergent and bearish. Stochastic has fallen back to oversold zone. The MACD is again trading with divergence, and it is trading bearish. Now on the daily charts, it's been long. See, it was trading in this bullish channel for long. Now it is breach pass and it has come to its support levels at -50. Yes, there is little more scope. However, it has to reverse some point of time, and that is where $20 levels are going to play a very important role. If it tries to drop on the downside, then and then only. If you look at the RSI, this has also come to oversold levels. Now look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, so it is trading now below the critical 20-50-100 period weekly averages, and now $22 levels going to remain a very good resistance zone. Also, if you look at the directional movement, this is crossed over for a bearish move. It was trading bullish so far. The stochastic interestingly has come to oversold zone, and this also makes $20 as an important support, because achieving those levels it can possibly reverse, and only this is possible if it continues to drop firstly on the downside. It is not sure, that it is not confirmed that it is going to remain bearish. But look at MACD. Interestingly, that is one point on the weekly charts that this is crossed over. This is trading with strong divergence, and you can see this is diverging, and this is happening at a little higher levels, which makes me think that there could be little more bearishness here. And if you look at the movement there, so this is starting here. Possibly it can try to attempt and achieve, and hence few weeks of bearishness cannot be. So this indicates that there is a probability that it can break in fact $20 levels also and trade bearish for the month of March, which might bring it at 19 $19 levels, the next stronger support levels. See, the RSI is looking down, indicating little bearishness here. And if you look at the monthly chart, on the monthly chart, so it is trading below the 20 and 50 period moving averages, looking forward to the 100 period moving average, which is far below at 1800 or $18 levels. If you look at the directional movement, this is trying to cross over for a sell entry. The stochastic, which was overbought till last month, now possibly with this candle may come down till the middle of it, and definitely probably next candle might take it further down. Now also you can see this is increasingly bullish here so far. Now, if you look at the MACD on the monthly charts, it yet again failed to cross over. Now, see, this was the time in 2020 during the COVID, it started to rise from these levels. Now, the MACD has come back to same levels again, and at a further higher levels, because you can see the rise here, what somewhere at around $16 levels, and now at these levels currently it is at 19 or 20 or $21. So in fact, there is still scope for it. If it continues to diverge from here, it can bring the price a little more down. RSI looking down here, indicating little bearishness. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably next week. And before I proceed to provide you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reach out to me for more details. Reserve your seats now. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, see, on the upside, 2110 is something I'll be looking forward to. But yes, you can buy here at 2090. Expect 21. Now, see, remember couple of observations till 2120. Till 2120, you have to be extremely careful on the upside in between this zone. Rather, I will say 2080 to 2120. It can reverse any point of time. Couple of stronger levels at 2110 and 2120. If it breaks past 2120, next is 2140, 2160. And if it stays above 2160, then only confirm that there could be little more bullishness, which might take it for $22 levels. Now it has to break past 22, it has to sustain above 22 in order to confirm a reversal. Beyond that, 22.50, $23 levels are going to be the next targets levels. But it has to break past 22. I am yet again saying it has to break past 22 in order to confirm the bullishness. Till that time, every rise, possibly you have to book the profits and look for an opportunity to sell also at the same time from the highs. You have to be watchful here. On the downside, you can sell here at 2060 levels, below which you can expect 2040, 2020 and 2000 or $20 levels. This is going to be important. This is going to be very, very important. Below that, certainly we may see it hitting 1950, 1922 and then $19 levels. On the downside, as we saw, 1922 is something which we will be looking forward to. This is going to be a very strong support zone on the downside. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and also keep booking profits at each of these milestones. Keep re-entering. It is not advisable to keep a trade in order to gain bigger profits, as markets always just show you the swing. If you see it trading or getting the support or resistance at a particular levels, you should try to re-enter again. On the, if it is you are bullish on the downside, you should find the support. On the, if you are bearish on the upside, you should find the resistance level for the next entry levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.